HIV/AIDS. And I was congratulating him, I was commending him because of his, yung openness. Alam niyo ibig ko sabihin, bihirang-bihira kang makakita ng taong ganyan ka-open. So I truly admire. Lakpakan naman natin. So keep up the good work. Continue the campaign against
volunteer na ako ng NGO na, yun nga, sa bawat araw, sinasabi nga nila na 10 tao na
Since 1981, when the first 5 cases were recognized, more than 25 million people have died of AIDS. WHO, World Health Organization, estimated that there are 33.4 million people worldwide living with HIV/AIDS. 33.4 million is no joke. So, ito po ay mayroon mga HIV infections at per year ay 2.0 million annual deaths due to AIDS. So, which means, mayroong namamatay. At we're not talking hundreds or thousands, we're talking millions. Kahit sabihin nyo all over the world, still, i-consider po natin itong alarming. Kasi kaya makontrol. And then according to Philippine Star, last March, the Department of Health, or DOH, recorded 313 new cases of HIV infection, the highest in 1 month since 1984. Imagine, sa ngayon po, in 1 month time, nakakadiscover po sila ng 313 HIV infection sa ating po mga kababayan in 1 month. At hindi yung magandang senyales yun. So which means, in spite of all this pagtutulungan natin to control this, ay mukhang hindi pa yata napapakinggan. So the DOH said the figure brought to 9,100. Kaya na nating sabihin na hanggang dito na lamang po at wala nang magkakasakit nito. At kung sino man ang meron, suportahan na lang natin sila at intindihin. Kasi sila, hindi rin nila gusto yon. So to all of you, let's just hope and pray that we can all work together in controlling, not even eradicate, controlling HIV/AIDS. Kasi maswerte tayo. Huwag sana mangyari sa ating mga pamilya. So to all of you, may God bless us all at maraming salamat po.